How to use a split screen on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily use split screen on Android. So first thing, just open up any of the application which you would like to use for or with the split screen feature. So in this example I will be using settings. So first thing first, just head over to your main menu section or home menu section, and once inside here just tap on this app logo at the top, and you can see there's the option to actually use it in the open in split screen view. So simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, under this below section you can use actually any of the applications that you would like to use alongside with these settings. So let's say in this example I'll be using calculator. So and just like that, you have successfully used the split screen on your Android using different application. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.